Hey there, I'm Sammy from Binance, and today I'm going to show you how to maximize your crypto earnings on Binance using Launchpool and HODLer Airdrops. These are user-friendly ways to earn new tokens just by holding or locking your crypto. No trading or DeFi expertise required. So, whether you're looking to explore new projects to earn free crypto rewards, I'll walk you through how to get started. Let's dive in. Firstly, it is important for you to understand that by subscribing BNB to Simple Earn, you will automatically qualify for additional rewards through Launchpool and HODLer Airdrops. These opportunities allow you to maximize your BNB earnings and are designed to be stacked together, offering multiple benefits simultaneously. So, what is Binance Launchpool? Launchpool is Binance's answer to making the world of token farming and early access super simple and safe. Instead of navigating complex DeFi protocols, you can subscribe your existing tokens and automatically receive airdrops from various Launchpool projects for free, with the flexibility to unlock at any time. To access Launchpool, simply log in and go to Binance Pro interface. If you're in Binance Lite, simply tap your profile and tap here to change to Binance Pro. Once you're in, go to the search bar and type Launchpool. You should be able to find it here under the Functions category. This will take you to the Launchpool dashboard where you can see all the current, completed, and upcoming projects. Now, if you subscribe your BNB to Simple Earn, whether flexible or locked, you automatically qualify for all eligible Launchpool events without extra steps. There's no need to unsubscribe and then lock your BNB in Launchpool. It is counted automatically. This means your BNB works continuously to earn rewards from ongoing and future Launchpool projects. What's more, users will receive APR rewards from the act of subscribing to BNB to Simple Earn as well. So, if you would like to understand how to subscribe to BNB in Simple Earn, please click on the link in the top right corner of this video right now, or find it under the resources in the description box of this video. Alternatively, if you would like to stake your tokens manually, like say stablecoins, you can lock designated tokens to receive the same airdrops at no extra cost via the Launchpool. Projects who are under the Launchpool will be clearly indicated by the multiple token choices for you to lock up in exchange for the project airdrop. We advise subscribing using other tokens other than BNB for this manual method, since we have mentioned earlier that you can subscribe your BNB to Simple Earn to get the same rewards. Once you've locked your assets, you'll start earning rewards immediately. You can track your earnings in real time through the Launchpool History here, and rewards are typically distributed every hour. And the best part, there's no lockup period. You can unlock your assets anytime and move them back to your spot wallet whenever you like. When you're ready to withdraw your funds, just click on Unlock and transfer your crypto back to your spot wallet. You can also claim the new tokens you've earned from the Launchpool rewards by tapping here. Take note that ongoing Launchpool events do not occur every time you visit. You can stay updated on ongoing and upcoming projects by checking our announcements on our social channels. But if we do have multiple Launchpools at a time, users can participate concurrently, meaning you can choose how much BNB you want to allocate for each project. Now, what are Binance HODLer Airdrops? Binance HODLer Airdrops are a newer way to earn token rewards based on historical snapshots of your BNB holdings in Simple Earn. Unlike Launchpool, which rewards you in real time during active Launchpool campaigns, HODLer Airdrops are designed to reward loyal holders automatically by providing retroactive token airdrops, meaning you get rewarded for simply holding BNB in your Simple Earn account over time, based on historical snapshots. To participate, all you need to do is subscribe your BNB to Simple Earn, either flexible or locked products, and maintain your balance. Note that the key mechanism here is maintaining your balance. Binance will take snapshots at specific times and distribute tokens afterward directly to your spot wallet. Projects who are under the HODLer airdrops will be clearly indicated with the tag here. So yes, by subscribing your BNB to Simple Earn, you'll be able to enjoy the following benefits: Launchpool rewards, HODLer airdrops, and APR rewards, all stacked together in a single mechanism. And that's it! Binance Launchpool and HODLer Airdrops are great ways to earn new tokens with little effort and with no lockup period. You can participate flexibly. Remember, subscribe your BNB to Simple Earn on Binance to effortlessly access all eligible rewards. Lastly, stay on top of every airdrop opportunity with the all-new BNB page by typing the link as shown here. From tracking active opportunities to viewing historical rewards, it's your one-stop hub for all things BNB. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Binance and try this out today. See you in the next video.